Export model sliding table saw installation and use instructions. Unpack the packaging. Range the parts. Step 1. Install the swing arm pivot rod. Step 2. Install the large ruler bracket. Align the large backrest with the sliding table and tighten it. Step 3. Install the auxiliary workbench. 1 piece for 90 degrees, 2 pieces for 45 degrees. Step 4. Install the master optical axis. Step 5. Install the optical axis ruler. Step 6. Install the prototype. Step 7. Install the master ruler. Step 8. Install the supporting rack. Step 9. Install the ruler stripper. Step 10. Install the side handles of the sliding platform. Step 11. Saw blade installation. Large saw blades are oriented clockwise. Small saw blades are oriented counterclockwise. Step 12. Install the dividing knife and dust cover. 380 volts is connected to 3 live wires. 220 volts is connected to 1 neutral wire and 1 live wire. Start large and small saw blades. Close size saw blade. Big saw blade rises. Big saw blade dropped. Large saw blade angle adjustment. Oil injector. Small saw blade lift and left and right. Cutting board demonstration.